Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have learned about UPSC structure functions. That is the next continuation part. Is that is the what are the civil services or what are the exams will be conducted by the UPSC for the civil service. So you can see that the commission conducts exams for civil services. That is will be based on technical service, forest service, and defense service at a national level. What are the three commissions will be going to conduct the services? One is technical, second one is forest, and third one is defense services at a national level. In these exams conducted for civil services are more prominent. Why? Because so these are the three services will be very important. So that's why the major steps will be taken by the UPSC. First one is IAS. What is the full form of IAS? Can tell anyone? Yes, correct. Indian Administrative Service. That is also one of the exams will be conducted by the UPSC. Next one is IPS. You know that Indian Police Service. What is that? Indian Police Service. Next is IFS. That is comes under the Forest Service. That is Indian Foreign. Sorry, that will comes under the Foreign Service. That is Indian Foreign Service. Next one is IRS. That is Indian Revenue Service. Next one is IAAS, that is Indian Accounting and Auditing Service. Exams are some of the important exams. They are conducted at three levels. Above these exams will be conducted in the three levels. First level is preliminary examination. Second one is main examination. Next, third one is personality test. That is also we can call that viva also, and personal interview also we can call that. Okay, thank you. In the next class we will discuss about KPSC. Thank you, children.